Hello children, today we start a new topic called construction. So in the very first chapter we are going to see how we construct a circle. If we see question 1, so I'll give you the concept while I teach. So the very first question says, if you see a book or any book, draw a circle of radius, draw a circle of radius. Number 1 is 3 centimeter and number 2 is 4.5 centimeter. So if you see the real size, children, the real size, this is for copy. So if I have to do on the blackboard, I will magnify it, children, remember, to 10 times. Okay, 3 centimeter means when I do here, not in copy, I'll take 30 centimeter to teach you. So I am magnifying it, making it bigger 10 times. So this also I'll do 10. This I'll take 45 centimeter, because if you see the scale, 3 centimeter is okay only this much. Okay, 4.5, so you cannot see in the blackboard. So I magnify it. So let us see. So I am in place of scale, children. It's a little difficult to hold. Okay, so I am using a set square. A set square is a nice thing, you can see. This is the compass what we use to draw on the board. Generally, sometime if I don't have a compass, I use a thread. I tie the thread with the chalk and then I use that. I put one hand, I fix it and then I draw. So that is also how we can do. Ultimately, think, children, is where there is will. Where there is a will, there is a way. So if this was not there, sometime some teachers take to teach in some other class, then we can use a thread, we tie it with the chalk and we use it as a compass. So in place of scale, since we have a handle over here, children, therefore I use a set square. But this is, I think we have done angles and all. You can know we can draw 90-degree angle very easily. Okay, so set square is used for various things. One of the uses to draw 90-degree. If you want to draw 60-degree, I think this is 90, 60, 30. So this will be our 60-degree. Okay. This is a 60-degree angle from here. If we keep like this, okay, we can draw 30-degree also. Because see, this angle is less and this is more. So 90, 60, 30 we get 180. So I think this is your 30-degree angle. So this 3 angle, if you don't have a protector, we have protector also. Like this, we have protector also. So I'm using a set square. I've shown you how we use 30-degree angle, 90-degree angle and your 60-degree angle. So this I will use as a scale, children. Okay, so remember, because holding a scale, trying to balance it on the board is little tough. So this I will use because there is a scale and here 5 means, children, 5 centimeter. Okay, so 3 centimeter. So here this is your 50 centimeter. Pythagorean triplet like that we have. This is 40 and this is roughly 30, little less than 30. I see 25, 50 and this distance I see is your 40. I hope you can see. Okay, this is 25 centimeter, 50 centimeter and this is 40 centimeter. Okay. So let us do question 1. So question 1, children, we learn how to draw a circle with radius 3 centimeter. So first what we do, we can draw a line. Here I told you 10 times, which is here I draw from down also you can see. Okay. So this is 45. So here you start, put your scale and you have to take 3. So I take 30, children. So I told you 10, 20, 30. This is my 30 centimeter. But you take children 3 centimeter. I told you I'll take 10 times bigger on the board. Okay, so this is my, roughly it's coming 30 centimeters. So we can adjust. You see that adjustment in compass. Here you have a nut that should be quite tight. Children, remember there are few things, it should not be very loose. Therefore you have got a spanner like thing to tighten it up. So now we draw. So we take a point, okay, as the center of circle O. We keep this compass and you take 3 children. I'm taking 30, okay, and then you have to see, you draw the circle like this. Okay, so take the one end of the compass over here, and generally you have to manage from here. You should not hold any part. So there is a correct way, since it is a blackboard. I have to. So this is how we take radius 30 over here, children. So you will take 3. Actually. Okay, so here I have taken the radius as 30 centimeter. So we keep one end of the compass over here and the other end. So generally we hold this side. Okay, and with the light hand you have to try to move your hand. But I have seen some children, they move the copy. But you see that you draw the circle nicely. So this is the circle whose radius. So this distance, children, is called radius. And if you double it, children, double of radius is called diameter. So diameter here is 60 centimeter. If you draw with radius 3, you don't try this size. This is for blackboard. Okay, so diameter is 60 centimeter. This is called the radius. Radius is the distance with which we draw the circle. So in the same way, you try to draw with 4.5 centimeter. I am going to next question. So this is how we draw a circle. So kindly pause the video and copy, then we move on to the next sum. Next we move on to question 2, where we have to draw 3 circles with the same center. 3 circles with the same center of radii. Children, radii is plural of radius because we have 2.5, 3.5 and 4.5. So kindly write the question. So with the same center, draw 3 circles. So just I'll rub this part, you can write this word draw. Okay, 3 circles you have to draw with this 3 radius. And what they are called? These are called, children, remember I am telling you, concentric circle. What do you mean by concentric circle, children? Circle with same center. So something like this we will get. Okay, circle with the same center. So we will draw. So as I told you, we take a line. Okay, and here I am using 10 times more. So means, children, 2.5 will be 25. So I draw a line, children. I told you this is 1 to 45. Okay, so 50. Okay, let me see from this side, it's better. This is 25, 35, this is 45. So remember here we use this is 0. Okay. 45 centimeter, 35 centimeter, 25 centimeter. So I have multiplied it by 10. Okay, let me draw 3 circle, children. Once again here somewhere I have to see, it's a big distance. First I'll draw the biggest. Okay, the biggest circle over here, so let me see, it should fit in on all the side. So somewhere here I take the center has to be prominent. So you check when you are drawing the all sides. So this is a circle with radius 45. So we get. So this is my first circle with radius 45, means your case children it will be 4.5. Remember 10 times more I am doing because I am doing in blackboard. Next is 35. So 35 smaller will be easier children here, but sometime in copy very small is also difficult. So I draw, I have to fix it. Actually there is a pointed end which goes inside your copy. Here children it's a board. Okay, so I have to hold this. You don't need, you can press it and draw. But here I have to hold because I don't want the compass center to change. Otherwise I'll not get the right circle. So because of the gravity, the chalk when it is coming down is coming out. Okay, so this is how we do. This is my, so this is my second circle with radius 35, 3.5 in your case, and then last we have to take is your 25. So this is our 25. So we draw a circle. So in the copy you can do with one go, and you have to hold this part only. You should not touch. So this is how we get 3 concentric circle, and to make it more better you can write this is 2.5 centimeter radius. Okay, this is 3.5 and this is 4.5 centimeter radius. So this is the center, and we have taken 3 different radii, okay, to draw 3 circle of different radii with the same center, and these circles are called concentric circles. So kindly pause the video and you draw, rather than copying, you draw with taking radius 2.5, 3.5 and 4.5. So next we move on to the second last question of today's session. This part 1 of my video on construction of circle. Then in part 2 we will do 2-3 more questions. So this is second last question children. Draw a circle with radius so always first draw a rough diagram children. Draw a radius, draw a circle with center O. Radius is not mentioned. Draw another circle whose boundary passes through O. So draw another circle, little bigger I draw this time. Okay children, so draw another circle whose boundary passes through O. So let the center of this circle, I can call it B, P suppose. So once more, draw a circle with center O. We take certain radius, I'll tell you, let me take 20 centimeter, because see, when you draw too small and too big children, radius will be a problem. So when you do in copy, I think if you see 4 centimeter, 3, 4 like that, 5, they are more comfortable. Below 3 it's difficult to draw, I am talking in centimeter, and beyond 8 or 9 another it's a problem. Till 4, 5, 6 it's easier to draw. Okay, 3, 4, 5 like that. So very small, less than 2, and bigger values we have a problem. So therefore, since no value is given here children, I draw a circle with radius. First one I draw with 15, 20, 25 or with 15. So first you have to make the center prominent. Okay, center is O. Then I draw a circle with radius. So you have to draw like this. So many times I see you move copy. Since this is not a copy, so on the board it is little difficult and different. So I draw a circle with radius 15. So second, draw another circle whose boundary passes through. So I'll just go out. What we do, children, 20 centimeter. So what we do, I told you we draw a circle with 20 centimeters. So here, this side, if you see, we start, I go to a distance 20 centimeter. Here will be my another center at 20 centimeter. Okay, so here I draw another circle with the center P whose radius is 20. Okay, I could have made smaller or bigger, so smaller won't be looking nice. So children, little bigger I am taking second circle which is of 20 centimeters. So I have already shown you there with the scale, so it's 20. So I draw another circle whose boundary touches O. So here you see, okay, here this is how we do. So once more children, draw a circle with center O we have drawn. Draw another circle whose boundary passes through O. So I have drawn another circle with center as P whose radius I have taken as 20 centimeter. You can try with 3 and 4. I think 2 will be smaller. 3 you take and this you draw as 4. I have taken as 20 and this radius of this is your 15 centimeter. Okay, so this circle and another I draw. The boundary of the second circle passes through O. Okay, so this is my radius of the first circle. So I told you, you would take 3 and 4. Okay, so I have taken 5 times more. 3 5s are 15 and this is 4 5s are 20. Okay, so kindly draw, then we move on to the last question. So kindly pause the video and copy. We do question 4 and in part 2 of the video we will do rest of the 3 question 5, 6 and 7. So next we move on to question number 4 where we have to draw a circle of radius 4.2. So let us draw in a rough, then we see. So let us draw. So here I'll take 42 children. I told you here I have taken here 15, 20, so 42, 10 times more I take. Okay, so in part 1, this is part 1 of the video lesson, and part 2 we'll try to do rest of the 3 of the question. So here first I told you for any of this question children, what we do, we draw a rough diagram always in geometry whenever you have construction. So let this be a circle with radius, always you'll have a center with 4.2 centimeter radius. Now question is, mark 3 point PQR such that P is on the circle, P is on the circle, Q is any point you take on the interior of the circle, and R is on the exterior of the circle. So P is on the boundary of the circle. On the circle means this is called circumference children. Q is inside and R is exterior and Q inside or interior. So let us draw a circle with radius 42. So for the sake of simplicity, you will take 4.2 children. I am taking 42, but you will take, I am taking 10 times more. So I have to see here how far. It's a very big size. Okay, so I have to rub some part of it to draw. So let us draw the circle whose radius is 4.2. So in this situation it is 42. So quite a big size radius over here children. I have to rub some part on top. So I am using a factor of 10. I could have used here in reality Just I am showing you another way. This is 42 centimeter, children. I could have used, this is factor of 10 times more. I could have done 5 times more. What I could have done, 4.2 into 5 in blackboard. In place of 42, I'll get 21 centimeter. Okay, so that could have been a good idea also, to see not 10 times, sometime, yeah, 5 times. So I'll show you in the next part of this. So either you do like this, what I call method 1. So what we see, P is on the circle, R is outside, and Q is in the interior of the circle. Exterior of the circle, interior of the circle, on the circle means on the boundary, means on the circumference. This is called circumference, and for other figure it is called perimeter. So we could have drawn by method 2 smaller, same thing, and we could have done also same question. I am showing you by drawing a circle with radius 21. See children, one thing I am showing you, when I draw too big or too small, you will see there is a problem. So whenever the radius is not given, here I have a choice because real 4.2 I cannot draw such small circle over here. So whenever the radius is not given, use your common sense. Take radius as 4, 5, 6, whatever you are comfortable with, 3, okay, and then draw accordingly. But if the radius is given, you have to use that. So see here, I had drawn previous method 1 by taking 42, it was huge. I am saying I can take as 5 times bigger, okay, because I have to show in blackboard. So see here, 5 times bigger, I get 21. So roughly 20 comes here, little bigger than that. So here I draw a circle. So this is a very good size even for blackboard to do this sum, because 42 was too big. Okay, so one thing we have to see children is that maths we have to use lot of common sense, and it is said that common sense is the most uncommon thing in this world. So here we have a point, let us take center as go, it's O is not mentioned, point Q is inside, point P is on the circumference of the circle, on the circle, and R is outside. So here we know what is any point on the interior of the circle, on the circumference of the circle, on the boundary, and to the exterior of the circle. So with this we come to end of this video lesson. In the part 2 we will try to do 2-3 more questions before we end this unit, construction of circles.